Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KNDI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. I had my eyes on it, never traded it, but I was watching, but I do plan on watching it tomorrow also. So let's map out those some levels of support and resistance. First level of support to keep an eye on is this level right here at $7.70 on two separate occasions today, both right there in the morning hours and then the final 30 minutes of the day. The price bounced right off that area. So 770 clearly has some buyers that are willing to kind of put their money where their mouth is down around that area. So 770, that initial area of support. In the event the price cannot hold above there, next overall level would just simply be where the low was from today. So the price gapped up, slight pullback, and then the buyer stepped in at 715. So again, support wise, near term 770 and then 715. From an overall point of view, I'm going to also be keeping an eye on that purple line there, the 50 period moving average. Right now valid at 643, keyword being moving though. So as time goes by, that value is going to move and change. So it's not going to remain 643 for long, but that is where the price is currently right now, right? Not the price, but necessarily the value of that 50 period. But as of now, again, a little bit too far ahead of myself because so far so good. The price has done a good job of staying up above these areas of support. On the flip side of things, where are some levels of resistance at if this starts to head back upwards? In terms of where the sellers are at, nothing very complicated here other than the fact that the party finally stopped right up around 875, give or take a few cents. So that's certainly going to be where the general price congestion point is right there. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Great volatility today, good volume. It'll be interesting to see how this one continues to play out on the week. And like I said, I know I'll be watching it on Thursday. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.